Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful piano lesson. And so today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Ikechi by GUC, latest song, all right? Meaning Ikechi means power of God. It's a very beautiful short song. So I'm going to play it on C transpose, all right? C transpose. Normally the song is in key F, but we're going to transpose it to C and we'll play it, you know. So I'm going to play it and I give a full piano tutorial, okay? So let's go.
Easy concepts.
All right, guys, it's a very simple song. I'm going to break down the chord progression. It's very simple. So the chord progression of the song is we are playing the key of C. All right, so C major. So the chord progression we have, that is the sixth degree, which is A minor. We have the fifth degree, which is the G major. Now we have also F major, which is the fourth degree, and the third degree, which is E minor. All right. Then of course we did second as well. All right. The second, even though it's not kind of consistent, but the second is there as well, which is D minor. All right. So normally you can play the chords of the song and like this. You see, the chord, the second is not really third. So you can, when playing the chord of the song, you can just play 6 and 5, 3. All right, now what interests me most of this song is this one. That's what interests me most. And so it's very simple. It's the same thing. Just you take this is A minor broken chord. That's A, E, and A. Alright, so I remove this other A with my right. So I'll just play. Then I go to G. I do the same thing. When I form this broken chord, I remove this one. I go to F as well. From this, I remove this one. Alright, so I also go to this E, alright? I remove this one. Then this time around, you play C with your right. Then you go to 2. Broken chord, you also form it the same way. Then you play T, that is B. So I do it slowly. Alright, that's all, guys. You can change the voice with one Galaxy. Alright guys, thank you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.